Who shows up hour late?
Our viewers, target. Alright guys, welcome back to another video of Sabri Motors. On today's video, we're going to be going into a BMW meet. It's hosted by Chitown M. We're going to shop right now. I have to get better at doing intros because I'm always in the car making intros, but it's whatever. Jason's new M3 is finally going to be in the videos with the new carbon fiber on it, fresh painted bumper that we did. Zuli's coming in the GLE. It's going to be lit. Hopefully there's some nice cars there. I know a couple of people that are going, but hopefully it's lit. Alright ladies and gentlemen, we just arrived. How you feeling? Good. No F30s today. He gave me the fucking gap of my life. Hey, Eugene! How are you, man?
Alright.
How's everything?
Hey, Auto Addict, James? My boy?
Excuse me, sir. Oh, you want me to?
Give us a nice intro. Where are we today?
Today we are at Buffalo Wild Wings. There's a lot of cars here, guys.
We're going to B-dubs or what?
I don't know, I haven't ate.
I'm hungry.
Hey, what's up, big guy?
What's up, big guy? Oh man, all the boys with the Yeezys and I got...
Jimmy.
Dude, it's fantastic. We got some ads up.
Dusty!
What's up, bro? Oh yeah, how you doing?
I saw you in the videos on Snapchat. How's your time at Chitown M meet?
Hey man, this is the spot to be if you're trying to see the
Is it?
How's your time?
Not bad, could be better. Getting kind of boring. Hungry, I haven't
Been boring.
As you can see, Jason finally came with his nice E92 M3. As you can see, we have installed the GT4 lip, carbon fiber hood vents. We installed the trunk lip. He has the nice Armytrix on it. And the new diffuser, of course. Looking very sick. Jason!
Yeah.
How's the M?
It's beautiful. I love the carbon fiber and the bumper. Sabri Motors put on. Sabri Motors plug right here. You gotta edit that in somehow right here.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that B-roll. We're starving, right? We're starving.
We're hungry.
We're hungry.
Like we said, we hungry.
So what do we have here? A V8? Kidding, we got the Mob Mobile, the Batman Mobile. We got Julie's GLE 43 at our first meet. It's a little dirty, but she's dusty, but she's trusty, am I right? We got the nice Aston GT. Pretty clean. Nice $2,500 diffuser right there.
Junker.
Some nice Vossens GSF, yo. We got some nice side skirts, PPE engineering, you know. What else we got done to this baby? Some nice tints. It says V8. That makes it automatically 50 more horsepower.
Yep.
So we have the nice trunk lip, nice diffuser installed at the shop. If we come over to the M2, we installed the RW carbon front lip as well. As you can see, what is that? 4 fingers off the ground.
Come on, Dashi. What is that shit? What is this?
It's a tough job.
Nah.
Alright, let's compare Slav's look to Jason. Slav's about 4. Jason is about what, 3 fingers. You gotta be careful, bud.
3 fingers?
Yeah.
What am I?
4. Are we getting food?
I'm down.
You guys want to come to B-dubs?
Dude, I gotta get back to the kiddos, but Sunday,
Sunday?
you tell them to come out?
Either.
I'll come.
We're going to South Barrington Arboretum.
And you could wax my F80.
No, I can't yet. It's got a fucking slipping belt. It's missing like 2 pounds of booze. What? Oh. Don't tell the camera.
I'm not telling the camera.
There's some secret shit happening. What did he say? I want to watch the official video.
You will.
You got a good angle, bro?
With the M3 in the back? That's your new profile picture.
Yeah, do the new profile thing.
Alright, Sabri, this is gonna be the...
This is Sabri Motors cover photo.
I've been really trying, baby. We're violating the property, so they kicked us off the premises.
Let's go to Mirage. No face masks over there. Fucking B-dubs bullshit.
Say we got Jimmy Butler right here.
You already know what the fuck going on.
Young JB.
Hell no.
I have a bobbleheaded Jimmy.
For real?
Yeah.
There you go. Hey, nah, bro. I fuck with what you're doing though, for real, but that's wrong.
This is my boy. I
You
just
already
met
know
him.
what the fuck going on.
I don't even know if the camera's at him because he's too fucking tall, but it's okay.
Whatever y'all see, y'all know what the fuck going on though.
Hey, babes.
What's up?
Where you going? Alright guys, this video is coming to an end. It's about 12 o'clock. Let's check. It's 12:18. Had a fun time with everyone. All the boys, the ladies. I love everybody. Love this car so much. The M6. Love of my life, right? Dream car. Dream childhood car. But I got a new present for, I'm not telling you guys, but I think everyone's gonna love it. Who doesn't love a screaming V10? We're not getting rid of the Heisman race, but we're just adding a little flavor to it. As we like to say when we fly past people, I'm sorry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the videos, do all the good things, put the notification bell on. But until the next one, we're out.